Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just running just quite a simple conversational cycle just to take the top off and take it down a little bit so that there's not so much stock left on there. And then once that's done, I'm going to be running this first bit of the program which runs this toolpath. It's not quite generated yet, but it takes it all the way down to about here somewhere, and that'll be the first proper roughen toolpath for this faceplate. Okay, so I am just running the finishing pass now. So this is literally taking about 0.2 of a millimetre off the whole face. It's a 5-axis simultaneous toolpath using a ball nose. There you go there. So we're running it nice and slowly, hopefully we get a decent finish. There's a little bit of vibration as we get to the sort of back corner, and that's just where the plate isn't bolted down. Yeah, there's no supports or screws on the back of that plate. It is a really awkward face plate to hold, but I wanted it to kind of look as authentic as possible. So yeah, we're nearly done. I reckon an hour or two, and this will be ready to come out of the machine. So here's the finished product. Toolpath isn't amazing, but it should look pretty good after a polish. All right, it's loose. Okay, here we go. That is not bad, and super thin. But yeah, that beats a 3D print any day, right? You only need like £150,000 machine to do it. But yeah, damn, that is cool. Probably the most realistic Iron Man part that's ever been created. Or at least out of metal anyway. I haven't seen anything else like this, so that's why I wanted to do it. But yeah, got some cleaning up to do. The inside is actually rougher. I purposely left it like that. I didn't want to spend all day on it. If you are a machinist or you kind of know anything about machinists, you'll know that you know, to get any kind of smooth finish of a bull nose, it just takes absolutely forever. And I knew the inside wasn't really going to be seen that much, so I just didn't want to spend the time on it, basically. Yeah, this fixture is probably going to go in the bin. I never want to machine one of these in my life ever again. Yeah, very thin, very nasty. Doesn't make a whole lot of great noises. Really, it could have done with some expanding foam on the back, or some Play-Doh or clay or something like that, just to reduce vibration. But I just didn't have any of that to hand, so I knife and forked it through. As you can see, yeah, these bolts are very, very gummed up. I used the, I don't know, the most brutal Loctite I could find. As I said, I just didn't want the thing coming loose. But yeah, I think that looks pretty damn awesome, and it is going to be amazing once it's had a polish. I won't bother polishing the inside again, like I said. It's not going to be seen, really. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm in love with it. I love it. Would I make another one? Absolutely not. It's basically 2 solid days of machining time. I don't know, let's call it £100 an hour. This is a very expensive part right here, made out of a huge block of aluminium. So no, I'm never going to make another one of these ever again, unless somebody pays me a lot of money. But yeah, let me know what you think. It is time to get this little beast polished up. I've got a bag full of various different sandpapers. There's the stand for it, that can go over there. This is the beast. So we're going to leave this backside machined. It looks rough, it feels a little bit rough. The front, again, it feels pretty smooth. It doesn't actually feel as bad as it looks, but we're going to do some light sanding, tidy it up. I've got a warm bucket of soapy water, it's just fairy liquid in here. That's going to help lubricate and brush off just any metallic dust from the sanding. And then got some screws here. That's going to help bolt to the stand when it's done. I've got some little LED lights for the eyes. They will look pretty cool. What else do I have in this bag of tricks? I have some, if I can get it out, bear with me, metal polish. That's going to come in pretty handy when we polish it. I've got an actual little polishing wheel that just goes in the drill, so that's going to be a big help. And I've got a sanding block, just a foam sanding block, so I can use that to start off with. It's also going to help for just wrapping bits of paper around, and it's just going to sort of follow the curvature of the face mask as I'm sanding it, which will be quite nice. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that now, and yeah, I'll show you the next step when I'm ready. Alright, so I've made a mess in my house, but I think I'm going to leave this plate at that. It's shiny, but it's still kind of scratched. I don't know if I want to go too chrome. Also, my arms are like literally aching now. There's still a couple of marks on it here and there. I don't know. I might kind of add a bit of damage and some scuffs to it. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But for now, I think this is done. I'm just going to clean all this crap up here, and then I'm going to mount it to its stand with its LED lights.